Good morning, YouTube. So today, me and Stan the Man, we're going to trade off his prized possession, this Tomos moped with 612 miles on it. It was 611 until I rode it this morning. For two street bikes. Yeah, I don't know why. It doesn't make sense to me either. Supposedly they even have titles and stuff. But figured you guys might want to ride along. I got all the tanks and the stuff for this one. It's just not on it right now because it isn't bolted down. I didn't want to lose it while we're towing it. But yeah, two bikes. Titles for both. Pretty sweet. Alright guys, so we got these home. Getting ready to unload them. I gotta make some room back here in the shed. But figured I'd show them off to you a little. When I get them unloaded, I'll take some more pictures.